Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious chicken quesadillas step by step. First, let's get organized. You'll need cooked chicken, tortillas, and plenty of cheese. Take 1 cup of cooked chicken and dice it into small, even pieces. Then, shred about 1.5 cups of your favorite cheese, like Monterey Jack or cheddar, to ensure it melts perfectly. Now, let's get cooking. Heat a large skillet over medium heat, adding just a small amount of oil to prevent sticking. Place 1 tortilla in the pan, then evenly layer your diced chicken and shredded cheese. Top it with a second tortilla. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until golden brown and the cheese starts to melt. The key to a perfect quesadilla is patience. Continue cooking until both sides are beautifully golden brown and the cheese is completely melted and gooey. Once done, carefully remove the quesadilla from the skillet and let it rest for about 1 minute. This brief rest helps everything set. Then, cut it into 4 to 6 wedges, ready to enjoy. Your delicious chicken quesadilla is now ready to serve. Enjoy it immediately with classic toppings like salsa, a dollop of sour cream, or fresh guacamole. For an extra kick, you might consider adding some diced onions or bell peppers to the filling next time. And hey, if you're looking to enhance your home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.